Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now from this video I'll be starting a new series on the line chart. So we'll see the different kinds of line charts in the Microsoft Excel. So first of all, in this video we'll be starting with a simple line chart, and then step by step we'll go further with the other types of line charts. So here I'm in the line chart sheet. First of all, let us understand what is a line chart and where it is used. So a line chart displays data points connected by straight lines. It is used to show the trends over time. Yeah. So whenever if anybody is asking me, Samir, what is the use of the line chart? So I always use this word, that is trend analysis. Whenever you want to do the trend analysis, then you always go for the line chart. So if I want to see, let's say, sales over a period of time, or profit over a period of time, or population over a period of time, then we always use the line chart. Here it says that you usually put the categories on the horizontal axis and you put the values on the vertical axis, that is the y-axis. Excel provides variations in the line chart, so we'll see further in the upcoming videos. So we are having line with marker chart, stake line chart, 100% stake line chart, 3D line chart. Now what are the uses of line chart? This is important. First of all, line chart is showing us the trends over time. So sales across months or temperatures by days. Then it is used for comparing the multiple data series. So I don't just create one line chart. I can also create 3-4 lines in one of the line chart. You can display here multiple lines on one chart, displaying the continuous data. So normally the line chart is used for the continuous data. It is used for forecasting or pattern recognition. So whenever you want to do the forecasting, then you can also use the line chart. What are the advantages of the line chart? It is very easy to read the trend, simple to understand, works well with many time period, good for comparing multiple data sets because we can create 3-4 lines in one line chart, simple and clean visual representation, and it shows the changes clearly, whether there is an increase or decreases or any fluctuation that we can see very well in the line chart. Now, what are the disadvantages of line chart? It is not suitable for discrete categories. Let's say departments or products. If you want to see it separately, then it is difficult. So for categorical variable or discrete categories, then line chart is not good. Then you have to use the column chart and the bar chart. Too many lines make chart cluttered. So normally it is expected that around 3-4 lines are fine. But if you are having more than, let's say, 5-6 lines, then it is difficult to analyze. Can be misleading if scale is too compressed or stretched. So whatever the scale you are using, you should go for the normal scale, not to compress or not to stretch scale. Does not show the size of each value, only it shows the direction. Yeah, it only just shows whether it is increasing or decreasing. It doesn't show any other things. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of line chart. Now let us quickly create our simple line chart. So here I'm having the data where we are having the various years, and then we are having the 3 cities, and the sales are written over here. So if I want to create a line chart, I will select all these cells over here. I'll go to the insert tab. Now in the insert tab, we are having the second button here below the column chart and bar chart. I click this button, and now here we are having the different kind of line chart. Okay, later on we'll also see the various types of area chart. So for creating a simple line chart, I'll select this one. So this is my simple line chart, and now here I can see, okay, for each of the cities. So let's say for Pune is having here the sales. 2017 it was around 410, that it increased in 2018, 2019 also it increased, 2020 also it increased, and suddenly it decreased. Yeah, majorly all the cities, they are having the decrease in sales in 2021. So we can do this kind of quick analysis. Now see here, you can see that even though we are having 3 line chart, it is difficult to analyze. So now if you just imagine that if you are having here 5-6 lines, then it is much more difficult. So you can decide which is good for you, but you have to take care of the limitations of the line chart. So here also you can do a lot of formatting that I've already shown you in one of the previous video. You can apply the colors and all those things. Here also we can see the different kind of line chart here in this brush icon. So you can just play with this different kind of line chart. Now in the next video, I'll be talking about another line chart which is known as line chart with markers. So see you then in the next video. Thank you very much.